Para lahat po tayo makapag-play. Mga lima po.
Yeah!
Kuya RJ, kami front po. Paul, kami front. Simala, first neck. Tawanan na rin na. Alam natin sir, ang show-by show-by and so-by. Okay, so aling-aling na game. Kung kanino nakatapat ang mic, siya ay huwag masabi ng show-by and so on and so forth. Bawalin po dito ay low-key, button. Gusto ko po dito ay attentive and alert. So this is show-by. This is show-by, show-bow, and so-by. Bawal ang iba-iba. Wala po dito nakatapon. Bawal ang nakatapong show-by. It's show-by, show-bow, and so-by. Okay, it's show-by, show-bow, and so-by. Okay, move po kayo dito. Move po. Dapat po attentive and alert. Bawal po dito ang battering and loading. Okay. So, in 3. Okay, para hindi naman medyo mahirapan lang. Sample muna tayo. Okay. Mali na kaagad si sir. Sample pa lamang nito. It's show-my, show-bow, and so-by. Okay, ulitin natin. So-by. 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 Okay. I want alert and attentive. Bawal dito ang loading and battering. Bawal din dito ang mali-mali ang hand gestures. Okay? In 3, 2, 1. So-by. So-by. Mali na ka nag-gestures. Out na po kayo. Pasensya na po. Sir, yung so-by. Don't yung kamayin. Okay. In 3, 2, 1. So-bow. Hindi ka nang kamayin. So-by. 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 So, mali na si sir. Ang susunod po sa show-bow ay so-by. Okay, out na po kayo. Pasensya na po. Okay, in 3, 2, 1. So-by. So-bow. So-by. So-by. So-bow. So-by. So-by. So-bow. Okay, magagaling ang ating mga contestants. Okay, and 3, 2, 1. Ay! Shoy, ay! Ang tono nito yung mga tono. Okay. Puro daw po yan. Ano tayo tayo? Okay, and 3, 2, 1. So-by. Ginaman ko din sir ang so-by. Walang latag yung so-by din sir. Okay, dalawa na lang ako sila. Dito yung tayo magbabato-bato. Kami bayan dito. Okay, and 3, 2, 1. Show-by. Show-bow. So-by. Show-by. So-bow. So-bas. So-bas. Ay! Okay. Nag-ay si sir. Natapon ang kanyang sopas. Okay, congratulations sir. You are the winner. Teacher po muna together with our celebrant and our winner. Congratulations, sir. Okay, as I observe, the food is being served. Enjoy your access fried chicken, sarap to the bone. Later on po, magkakaroon po tayo ng second part. Enjoy your meal. Okay, blow the candle and make a wish.
Blow, Villa, blow! No problem! No problem!
Alright, happy birthday, Tia! Okay, picture po muna with Chicken Boy.
Amara out, bebe. Sa inyo. Iyan, tingin. Iyan. Blow. Iyan. Okay.
Alright. So anyone po na gusto na magpa-picture kay Chicken Boy habang nandito pa po.
Punta ka na doon. Sige na. Bia, picture with Grandma.
Chicken Boy habang nandito pa po siya. In a few minutes.
Yan, Wala na. Yan.
Okay, look at the camera and smile. Okay, walking naman. Take a walk. And point to the celebrant. Okay, everybody, let's all say bye-bye, Chicky Boy. Bye-bye, Chicky Boy.
Bye-bye, Chicky Boy.
Okay, aside from your precious time, our celebrant is waiting for our special message, wishes, and prayers to begin with Grandma Monette.
Tamang-tama, nandyan ka na.
Tamang-tama, nandito na silang sa harapan. Wish ko po.
Okay.
Kay Bia.
Happy birthday to Tracy Bia. Happy birthday. Wish ko kay Bia is lucky, malusog, and God-fearing, always listen to mommy and daddy. Yes. And good health.
Okay, thank you po.